Dear students, welcome to our class, and the class 8 students are told to attend the class, and now we will discuss about our topics. So in our last class, we have talked about the suffixes, and today our topic is about prefix. So all of you are going to attend in this session. That means prefix is a such type of words that can be used before some words and make new words, and the meaning of the sentence will be changed according to its grammatical rule and for the conception of the sentences. So here we will observe, or we will notice, that every season has its advantages, but we must write down them disadvantages. The large trees had been rooted, and that will be uprooted, and the whole areas surrounded by the river had been submerged due to a freak the day before yesterday. আমরা এখানে লক্ষ্য করব যে প্রতিটি ঋতুর রয়েছে কিছু অসুবিধা সমূহ, এবং বড় বড় গাছগুলো সেগুলো উপড়ে ফেলা হয়েছে, এবং সমস্ত এলাকাটা নদী দিয়ে ঘেরাও দেয়া, যা প্লাবিত হয়েছে এক ধরনের ঝড়ের মাধ্যমে গতকালের আগে। এবং পরবর্তীতে আমরা দেখব ক্লাস নিচ্ছি। So today our topic is prefixes. Learning outcomes. What will be the outcomes of our lesson? By the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to make sentences using prefixes, use the correct form of words in the passage, adding prefixes with them. In the uncivilized era, the oxen plowed the land at random. So, in the uncivilized era, civilized and uncivilized. Unexpectedly, the two birds are looking at the same thing at a time. The vegetable monger is rearranging and resetting the vegetables in his van. So here is an exercise, and you are told to complete the sentence with a perfect prefixes, adding, the sceneries are very dash pleasant for us to see that in the past days, bullock carts drew humans in such an human way. So So what will be the answer? Pleasant, unpleasant, and human, inhuman. Here are the pictures, and this will be discussed adding with prefixes. Smiling faces of babies are valuable assets to the parents. If they do not see smiles in their babies' faces, their lives seem complete to them. This size of the rock is believable, but not unreal. Unbelievable, that cannot be believable, and real, the opposite word is unreal. So we will take the concept that what is prefix. The sound that comes before a root word is called a prefix. A prefix, when the prefix is added, it changes the meaning of the word. That's what a prefix does. So there are some examples that can be used before the words and make new words. Prefix "an", not in reverse, "td", "untd", "sure", "unsure", "rap", "unwrap", "im", "not", "possible", "impossible", "proper", "improper", "mature", "immature", "in", "direct", "indirect", "active", "inactive", "complete", "incomplete", "ill", "legal", "illegal", "literate", "illiterate", "legible", "illegible", "hired", "regular", "irregular", "rational", "irrational", "responsible", "irresponsible", "miss", "lead", "mislead", "behave", "misbehave", "advise", "misadvise", "dis", "like", "dislike", "loyal", "disloyal", "courage", "discourage", "non", "stop", "non-stop", "sense", "nonsense", "cooperation", "non-cooperation". So here we have observed that there are some words, and in every word there is a perfect prefix must be added before the words, and in these words, if the word changes, then the meaning or the structure of the sentence will be changed. So it is a proper way to make new words with this proper way, and for this reasons we have to complete the words in perfect senses. That means if you are told to write down about the possible and it must be impossible, then there is no opportunity to use another words, so we must use "in". So next, exposing is very unlikely to Mr. Ghulam Sarwar. So, unlike two others, he looks easy. Undoubtedly, their performance were praiseworthy to all music loving. Doubtedly, সন্দেহে, undoubtedly, নিঃসন্দেহে. It was quite unpredictable that Bangladesh team would lose the match. Predictable, that means that the situation or incident then can be identified before, but unpredictable means unexpected. So we can observe that these words are different. Plus আছে বলো plus আছে। Privileged, the opposite meaning is unprivileged. The privileged means the opportunities that they get, and unprivileged the opportunities who are deprived from these facilities. Death is better than dishonor. Honor means respect. Dishonor is opposite from honor. So মৃত্যু ভালো অসম্মানের থেকে। So here is a fill in the blanks for you. The man is employed. The man is employed. Always happiness grabs him. Though everybody is kind to him, he is very honest. He likes honesty, so he is different to earn anything in wrong ways. He is sitting beside the lake at appointed, but never he becomes patient. So here are some words, that is employ, happiness, kind, likes, honesty, different, appointed, and patient. So we will discuss about the So what will be the answer of this fill in the gaps? The man is unemployed. Unemployed means maker. Always
Hello.
the man is unemployed. Always happiness grabs him, though everybody is. Always unhappiness grabs him, though everybody is unkind to him. He is very honest. He dislikes dishonesty, so he is indifferent to earn anything in wrong ways. He is sitting beside the lake, disappointed, but never he becomes impatient. So here we have discussed about prefixes, and now make new words adding prefixes with the following words and make sentences. Word, way, guide, mark, read, sufficient, courage, bearable, possible, legal. So thank you all for being present in this session, and I would like to thank all of you to be present for the next session, and your homeworks will be given on prefixes. So today we have now closed this session, and thank you all. Best of luck.